Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I'm Shivli Akhtar, your English language teacher. I hope you are fine and you are studying well at home. Well, I'm here today to talk about adverb. In fact, it is the second lecture on adverb. In this lesson, we are going to know what are the types of adverb, how to identify adverbs, and how to form adverbs. Okay? Fine. So, let us see what are the types of adverb. Adverbs are of three types. Adverbs are of three types. Adverb of manner, adverb of time, and adverb of place. Adverb of manner, adverb of time, and adverb of place. So first we will talk about adverb of manner. You see how to get adverb of manner. First we have to make a question to the verb. The question is how. So we will ask how to the verb. So let us see an example. The boy spoke angrily. Here spoke is the verb. So if I ask the verb, how did the boy speak? The answer is angrily. So here angrily is an adverb. So let us see some more examples. He writes neatly. How does he write? The answer is neatly. So neatly is an adverb. Some more adverbs like this we can say he writes slowly, he writes quickly, he writes lazily, and we also can say he writes easily. Okay, now we will know how to identify adverbs. I have written clue to identify. So do you want to know? Well, let's see. If we say ly at the end of the adjective, we will call it adverb of manner. If we find ly at the end of the adjective, we will call it adverb of manner. So let us see some examples. We greeted him warmly. How? Warmly at the end ly. So warmly is an adverb. He drives carefully. At the end of the word carefully we say ly. So this is an adverb of manner. Watch the video attentively. Attentively, at the end of attentively you will see ly. So this is an adverb of manner. And the last one is you must write clearly. So at the end of clearly you see ly. So this is an adverb of manner. Now you will know how to form adverb of manner. Okay, so let us see how to form adverb of manner. Okay, we have to add ly with the adjective. We have to add ly with the adjective, then we will get adverb. Okay, so let's see what are the adjectives. Nice is an adjective. If we add ly, then it will be nicely. Here nicely is an adverb of manner. Brave is an adjective. If we add ly, then it will be bravely. Here bravely is an adverb. Easy is an adjective, and if we add ly, then it will be easily. So it is an adverb of manner. Now the question is, if there is y at the end of any adjective or at the end of the word, we have to replace it by I. Let's see, here is y, but there is no y here. Instead of y, I have used I. So it is proved here that if we see any y, we will replace it by I and then add ly. Do you understand? Okay. The last one is comfortable. If we add comfortable, but if we see the adverb, it will be comfortably. Comfortable, comfortably. Now there is a question here. You see, at the end of this word, we see le. If there is le at the end, we will just replace I. We will omit I and add y. I said that, okay, let me say in Bengali. আমি বলেছিলাম যে যদি অ্যাডজেক্টিভের সাথে আমরা ly যোগ করলে অ্যাডভার্ব পেয়ে যাব, কিন্তু এখানে এই অ্যাডজেক্টিভের শেষে le আছে। যদি এরকম হয় যে অ্যাডজেক্টিভের শেষে le আছে, তখন সেখানে আমরা কি করব, শুধু ইটা বাদ দিয়ে y যোগ করব। ly যোগ করার দরকার নেই, কারণ এখানে অলরেডি একটা l আছে। তাহলে আমরা কি করব, ইটা বাদ দিয়ে y যোগ করব। সো লেট আস কমফোর্টেবলি, TABLY, ইটা বাদ দিয়ে দিয়েছি, শুধু ওয়াইটা যোগ করেছি। সো কমফোর্টেবলি, ডু ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? লাইক দিস উই ক্যান সে what we can say, like suitable, suitably, sensible, sensibly. Okay, Now we will know adverb of time. So let's see. How do I find out adverb of time? We have to ask when to the verb. We have to ask when to the verb. And it refers that when something happens. It refers that when something happens. Okay. Now see. How to identify adverb of manner? I am analyzing the example. I read a story every night. I read a story every night. When? Every night. So every night is an adverb, right? Okay. If I say I will do this later. When will I do? Later. So later is the adverb here. Later is the adverb of time. Not adverb actually. Adverb of time. Okay. Fine. Now we will do it. Pause the video for 1 minute or 2 minutes and try to complete this one. These I have written these, and these are what? These are adverb of time, and you have to put the right word here. Okay, put the right word here. I can say one for as an example. Come here now. So I will pick now and keep it here now. In this way you will do I will come when, like this. I will come tomorrow. So you will do this. Fine. Now we will know adverb of place. So how to identify adverb of place? Let's see. We have to ask a question where to the verb. We have to ask a question where to the verb. So it refers where something happens. It refers where something happens. So you see some examples. We will see some examples that will help us to get clear idea. Understand? Okay. Let's see. We reached there. We reached there. Where? There. So there is an adverb of place. Don't go outside. Don't go where? Outside. So this is an adverb of place. Now we are at home. Where? At home. Home. At home is an adverb of place. We will go to school. Here. Where? To school is an adverb of place. It is hot here. Where? Here. So here is an adverb of place. Do you get it? Okay. Now let us see what to do. You have to do it at home. This is similar to the previous one. So what you have to do, I have written, these are actually adverb of place. Downstairs, inside, winter, here. So you have to pick the right word and fill in the blanks. So it is cold in when? Winter. So I have to pick winter and put it here. Fine. And like this you have to do the rest of the blanks. Okay? There is a note for you. So what is a note? The note is we may use adverb of place and adverb of time in the same sentence. If we place, then we need to know when to use adverb of place and when to use adverb of time. Okay, let's see. The students will go there in the evening. The students will go there in the evening. So you see, there, where, there. Can you remember we said if we ask the verb where, the answer will be adverb of place. So there is an adverb of place. So I have given adverb of place first here, okay? And then in the evening, when? In the evening. So can you recall? I said if we ask the verb, the question when, then it will be adverb of time. So here in the evening is adverb of time. So from analysis, we understand that if we use both adverb of place and adverb of time in a single sentence, we have to give adverb of place first. Then we will give adverb of time. Do you get it? Okay. Actually, this is all about our today's lesson, and this is the time to wrap up. Before going to end this video, I would like to tell you that thank you for your patience, and stay at home, stay safe and sound, say your prayer regularly, keep well. Assalamualaikum.